So the equation 2x squared plus 3p minus 2x plus p is equal to 0 has equal roots. Determine the possible values of p. Now we know that for equal roots, the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now the values of a, b and c, well, a is 2, b is 3p minus 2, and c is p. We substitute that in there, so you get 3p minus 2 all squared minus 4 times 2 times p, and that's equal to 0. So then I get, in this one, if I expand this, I get 9p squared minus 6p minus 6p plus 4 minus 8p is equal to 0. So then that will give me 9p squared, so negative 6, negative 6, negative 8, give me negative 20p plus 4, and that's equal to 0. Now, if I factorize this, that would give me, so factorize and solve, so that would be minus 2, minus 2. So therefore, 9p minus 2 is equal to 0, or p minus 2 is equal to 0. So if I solve this, that equals to 2, so p is equal to 2 over 9, and for this one I get p is equal to 2. Thank you for watching.